have my acne hairs. Alright, so hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to make lemon sugar scrub for our face and for our acne to get a glowing face and also to clear our blemishes. Before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and share. You know, sugar with its rough texture helps remove all the dead cells from our body or on the surface of our body or on our skin. And lemon with a vitamin C also in it, which is very good for our skin, helps remove or give us a glowing skin. So before as we start with the video, I'm going to cut my lemon into two. I'm going ahead to remove all the seeds from it. There will be some in it, but I'm just going to apply this oil. So I'm going ahead to squeeze my lemon juice. Actually, I don't want it to be all that watery, so I'm going to use a little. You can also choose to add a little bit of sugar when it becomes so watery. So that's how the texture is going to be like. So you mix it or you allow it to settle down, and then for all of the sugar to melt into the lemon juice, then you apply it onto your face, your neck, or even on wherever you have your acne. So watch how I'm going to apply. So guys, I'll start out by having my warm water here and allowing it to cool for a while. Not all that cool, but for the temperature to go down a little. Then I'll start out by having my face towel here that I'm going to dip it into the water. That's the warm water for my face. So before I start up, I'm going to dip it here into it, then avoid it. Then go ahead to apply it on my pores. Massage it on my face where most I have my large pores. So I'm cleaning off all the then I'll follow it by applying my mixture, that is my lemon and my sugar scrub, to my face. Then I'll wait for a while, so please. Alright, so as you can see, this is my lemon sugar scrub. I've allowed it to mix very well, so I'm going ahead to apply it to my face. So I have my acne hairs. All right. So I'm going to allow it to dry for 30 minutes. Then I'll go and wash it off. And I apply my moisturizer. You can also apply the carrot oil that you have that is what we prepared. So I'm going to go ahead or follow it by the carrot oil. That will help remove all the blemishes and the sunburn from my face. All right, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.